Everyone. In this, we are continuing our revision of quantitative techniques, BCA's fifth semester as per the new education policy syllabus. We are still in unit 1 and this is part 2. Let us move on. The first question, evaluate 475 multiplied by 475 plus 125 multiplied by 125. So we may write this as 475 the square plus 125 the square. We also know that a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We also have a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now, if we add this, both these equations, let us consider this as 1, this as 2. So 1 plus 2 implies a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square should be equal to 2 times a square plus b square, or we can rewrite this as a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square, the whole thing divided by 2. So we will use this now to solve this particular question. So this can be written now as 475 plus 125 the square plus 475 minus 125 the square, the whole thing divided by 2. So first one, 475 plus 125 is 600 the square plus this will be 475 minus 125 will be 350 the square divided by 2. So 600 square is 36, 00, 00, and 350. 35 square is 1225. Then we have 00, whole thing divided by 2. If we add, we get 482500 divided by 2. Further dividing this by 2, we get 241250. That will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the second part of this question. 796 into 796 minus 204 into 204. We can rewrite it as 796 square minus 204 square. We have a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So based on that, we can rewrite this as 796 plus 204 multiplied by 796 minus 204. First one is 1000 times, if I subtract this, we will get 592, which means if I multiply, now it becomes 592,000. So that is the result for this question. Let us move on to the next. Find the unit the digit or units digit in 264 to the power of 102 plus 264 to the power of 105. In both these terms, 264 to the power of 102 is common. We can take that outside. Then we can write 1 plus 264. That will become 264 to the power of 102 times 265. Now, units digit of this one, 264 to the power of 102 times 265 will be the same as unit digit of You can consider this 4 power 102 times 5. So that will be, that can be rewritten as unit digit of 4 power 102 can be written as 4 square into 4 power 100 into 5. So that will be unit digit of 4 square into 5 into this 4 power 100 can be written as 4 power 4 to the power of 25. That can be further rewritten as unit digit of 4 square is 16. So we can consider the unit digit as 6 into 5. Here 16, 256. 256 unit digit is 6. So we can multiply 6 only. Now 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 6, 180. So the unit digit is 0. That's how we can find out the unit digit for this particular expression. Let us move on to the next question. Arrange the fractions in the ascending order. So for arranging fractions, if we can have a common denominator, then it will be easier for us to arrange the fractions, which means that we will find the LCM of 18, 36, 45, and 60. So let us use that common division method to find out that. Let us consider 2 9s are, 2 18s are, 45 cannot be, this will be 30. Further 3 will take, 3 3s are, 3 6s are, 3 15s are, 3 10s are. We'll take once again 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. This cannot be considered 10. Now we'll consider 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we'll consider 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, which means this LCM will be 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. That is 4 into 9 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 20 into 9 is 180. So now 17 by 18 can be written as, if I want 180, I am multiplying denominator by 10. Same thing I'll be doing it in the numerator. Now 31 by 36. If I want denominator as 180, that means I am multiplying this by 5. I will have to do the same thing with the numerator. So denominator is 180, numerator becomes 515. 155 by 180. Then 43 by 45. If I want denominator to be 180, I'm going to multiply denominator by 4. Same thing I'll be doing it in the numerator also. So denominator is 180. Numerator 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 17. Then next one, 59 by 60. If I want 180 in the denominator, I will be multiplying by 3. So same thing, I will be doing it in the numerator also. So this is 180. 3 9s are 27, 2 3 5s are 15, plus 2, 17. So the fractions in the ascending order are, which is the least, let us see this one, 155 by 80. Then the next is, I can put less than symbol. Just to show that it is the least. Then next will be 170 by 80. (180). Then next will be 172 by 180. Then the next will be 177 by 180. Which means, let us go back to the original numbers. 155 by 80 is 180 is 31 by 36. 170 by 180 is 17 by 18. 172 by 180 is 43 by 45. Then finally 59 by 60. So this is the way we can arrange this in ascending order. So we have in ascending order 31 by 36, 17 by 18, 43 by 45, 59 by 60. That will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. Find the HCF of 9 by 10, 12 by 25, 18 by 35, 21 by 40. So HCF of fractions can be evaluated as HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. Now numerators are 9, 12, 18, 21. So 9 can be written as 3 square. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 means 2 square. 2 square into 3. 18 is 9 into 2. 9 is 3 square into 2. So 2 into 3 square. 21 is 3 into 7. So therefore, based on this, HCF, highest common factor will be 3, only 3. So that is the highest common factor among all this. Now, denominators are 10, 25, 35, 40. Now, 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 25 can be written as 5 square. 35 can be written as 5 into 7. 40 is nothing but 8 into 5. 8 can be written as 2 cube into 5. Therefore, the LCM for these denominators, LCM will be 2 cube multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 7. So 2 cube is 8, 5 square is 25 and multiplied by 7. If we multiply these three, 8 into 25, it is 200, 200 into 7, 1400. Therefore, the HCF of these fractions will be 3 divided by 1400. That is the result. Let us move on to the next question. Find the products of, these are decimals. So for finding the product, what we will do without decimal, we will multiply first. Let me consider the first one. 21693 into 14. So first 4 3s are 12, 1 4 9s are 36, 37 3, 4 6 are 24, plus 3 27 2. This is 6, this is 8. Then we will write 3 9 6 1 2. If we add, we get 10 1 9 7 16 17 1 13 1 0 3. So therefore, 2.1693 multiplied by 1.4 will be, see here we may notice the number of number of digits after decimal point. Here it is 1, here it is 4, totally it is 5. That means we have to jump 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means the result will be 3.03702. That will be the first question, first part. Second part, let us take directly 4 into 4 into 4 into 40. So this is nothing but 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. 64 into 40. Let us multiply this. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 6 are 24, 25. Therefore, 0.4 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 0.004 multiplied by 40 is equal to, let me write this, 2560 first. Then let us see the number of digits after decimal point. Here it is 3, here it is 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 digits. So add 2 more zeros, put a decimal point, and so ultimately it is 0.00256. That will be the result for this particular second part. Now let us go to the third part in the next page. 666, 666, 66 will do 666 into 666. First let us do this. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 6 are 36, 39, 3 6 6 are 36, 39. We'll have to repeat it. Now let us add. This is 15, 1, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 2, 5, 14, 23, 2, 9, 3, 12, 14, 1, 4. So it becomes 443, 556. Now this number multiplied by, what was that? 66. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 5s are 30, 33 3, 6 5s are 30, 33 3, 6 3s are 18, 21 2, 6 4s are 24, 26 2, 6 4s are 24, 26. Repeat it. 6 3 3 1 6 6 2. If I add 6 9 6 4 7 12 1 9 2. Therefore, what is that? 6.66 multiplied by 66.6 multiplied by 66 is equal to, let me write this, 2927496. Now let us count the decimal points. Sorry, digits after decimal points. It is totally 3. So we have to put dot here. That is the result. 29274.696. That is the result. Let us move on to the next question. It's a question on fractions. It is given in terms of vulgar fraction. We have to first make it into proper fraction. That is 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we can write 9 by 8. Next one, 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So it becomes 13 by 7. Then 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5. Now let us calculate the LCM for 8, 7, and 5. 2, 4, 7, 5. Again 2, 2, 7, 5. So the LCM for this 8, 7, 5 will be 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 into 35. 8 5s are 40, 4 8 3s are 24, 280. So that means we can take the LCM for this as 280. Now 9 into 8 3s are 24, 5s are plus 13 times 7, 40 times plus 40 into 40 plus 18 into 118. We check. T 5, sorry, I should make it 5. So 280 into 5, let us do that. 5 5s are 25, 30, 5 6 are, so 56 is getting multiplied. Now, if we do the multiplication, 9 into 35 becomes 315. 13 into 40 becomes 520. 18 into 56, we get 1008 divided by 280. If we add the numerator, we get 1843 by 280. And if you divide, we get 6. So you get 1680. The remainder is 163. So this can be written in terms of vulgar fraction because the question is in the form of vulgar fraction. So we'll rewrite this as 163 by 280. That will be the result for this particular problem. Let us move on to the next question. Simplify 460 into 15 minus 5 into 20. So 460, let us factorize. 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are, so 2, 46, 2, 23. So this 460 can be written as 2 square into 5 into 23. 15 can be written as 5 into 3. So I will write 5 into 3. This is also multiplication. Minus 5 and 20 can be written as 4 into 5. That is 2 square into 4. Sorry, 2 square into 5. So 5 multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 5, which can be rewritten as 2 square into 5 square into 3 into 23 minus 2 square into 5 square. So common we can take out 2 square into 5 square. Inside we can write 69 minus 1, which is 4 into 25. 4 into 25 into 68. So this is 100. 100 into 68, we get 6,800. That will be the simplification for this particular question. Let us move on to the next question. Simplify 1 divided by 1 divided by, let us rewrite this. First, we will focus on the innermost brackets or innermost parentheses. So we will write the rest as it is. This 1 by 2 will write like this. 1 divided by 2 will write like this. Again, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So that will be rewritten as 1 plus 1 divided by 3 is 3 by 2 is same as 1 multiplied by 2 by 3. One plus 2 by 3 plus 1, that is 1 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 3. One divided by 5 by 3 is the same as 1 multiplied by 3 by 5. 1 multiplied by 3 by 5 is simply 3 by 5. So that is 1 divided by 1 plus 3 by 5 becomes 8 by 5. 1 divided by 8 by 5 is same as 1 multiplied by 5 by 8, which is 5 by 8 plus 1. So here we get 5 plus 8, which is 13 by 8. So that will be the simplification of this expression. Let us move on to the next question. The cost of 4 bags. It is about finding value of unknowns. Cost of 4 bags and 3 boxes is rupees 555, and the cost of 3 bags and 4 boxes is rupees 460. What are the cost of 1 bag? So let the cost per bag equal to X. Let the cost per box equal to Y. So what is given? Given 4 times X plus 3 times Y is equal to 555. Consider this as equation 1. Again, another one, cost of 3 bags means 3 times X plus 4 times Y is given as 460. Consider it as second equation. Now, let us multiply the first equation by 3, second equation by 4, so that 4 into 3, this term becomes 12, 3 into 4, that term also becomes 12, because we can eliminate X by doing that. So 12X plus 9Y is equal to 555 into 3 is 1665. Consider it as third equation. Here 3 times 4x, sorry, 3x into 4 is 12x plus 4 into 4, 16y is equal to 460 into 4, we get 1840. Consider it as fourth equation. Now, fourth equation will be subtracted with this third equation. Means 12x minus 12x gets cancelled. 16y minus 9y becomes 7y. 1840 minus 1665. Get 5, 7, 175. 175. Which means our y is 175 by 7. You get 7 2s are 14. 35, 7, 5, 7, so 25. So now consider first equation, 4x plus 3 times y, y is 25, equal to 555, which means, let me put this, 4x plus 75 equal to 555, which means 4x equal to 555 minus 75. If I subtract, I get 480, which means our x is 480 by 4, which will be 120. So question is, what is the cost of 1 bag? Therefore, cost of 1 bag, which is our x, is rupees 120. So that will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. If a minus b equal to 3 and a square plus b square equal to 29, find the value of a plus b. We have a minus b, the square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we have a minus b value as 3. So we write 3 square. This value is also given 29. minus 2ab, which means if I bring this minus 2ab to the left-hand side, it becomes positive 2ab equal to 29. 3 square is 9, so minus 9. You bring this 3 square to the right-hand side, it becomes negative 9. You get 20 here, which means our AB is equal to 20 by 2, which is 10. That is what they have asked us to find. So AB is 10. Let us move on to the next question. Find the square root of 1471369. Square root is found like this. First, we write the number given. This is an integer, not a decimal. So if it is an integer, what we do, from the right-hand side, two digits, we put a comma. So now we need to focus on the first comma. It is having only one digit, which is 1 only. We have to look in for a perfect square, which is 1 only. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then if I subtract, it is 0. Then we need to go to the next comma and write the digits. So 47 we'll write. Then we will double this, means 1 means here it will become 2. Now 2, here you put some number, same number you have to put here. And for example, if I put 1 year, I will put 1 year. So 21 into 1, 21 only. If I put 2 here, 22 into 2, it becomes 44. That is better number. So let me put 2 and 2 here, 44. Then we have the remainder as 3. Then write down till the next comma, that is 13 I should write. Double 12. If I double 12, it is 24. You need to put some number here, same number here, so that result of this product should be lesser than 313 or equal to 313, which means I can only put 1 here. If I put 1, it becomes 241. If I subtract, it is 2, here it is 7, and then write subsequently 2 digits. 121's double will be 242. Now, whatever number I put, I should put the same number. If I put 3, what will happen? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Yes, it is working. So 3, let me put. If I put that here, 72690. Therefore, square root of 1471369 is equal to 1213. So that will be the result for this particular problem. So we'll meet again in the next part of this unit 1.